Hi guys, how are you? In today's video, I will show you how to change phone number in FaceTime. Let's start. So we do have other video tutorials in terms of changing or editing your number in FaceTime or even in iCloud. It's pretty much the same when you're doing that. You can always go to and subscribe to our channel for other video tutorials, guys, for FaceTime, iPhone, and iCloud. In terms of the process and how to change your phone number, it's like basically the same. So in this case, since we're gonna be changing the phone number in FaceTime, what we're gonna be doing is first you go to your settings, okay? When you go to your settings app, look for FaceTime. So if you click on FaceTime, this is where you would be able to see the details that you have in FaceTime. So it includes my Apple ID, my contact number, and there's an option there that says, if you would want to receive section where it would show your phone number and then your iCloud or Apple ID or basically your iCloud email address. So once you tap on that, I took a screenshot just for you to have visibility or visual on how it looks like. So once you are clicking or tapping on FaceTime, and once it would lead you to this page, this is pretty much the same process when you are going to remove your phone number, because you can then add or change the phone number that you wish to use for your FaceTime. So in this case, once you're already in this page, and then if you click on the part under the you can receive FaceTime and message by the section, then you would get this pop up message that I remove the number I messaged on FaceTime. So if you tap on remove, and then it would give you now an option to actually change or put the new number that you wish to use for your FaceTime. So that's how you're gonna do it. And then you could also go to support.apple.com for further instructions. And if you like this video, please hit on like. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.